funny cover page because we don't have a name yet. And we didn't want to just decide the names of the class.
Yeah.
So this week we had about 3 times the length of this, working on it, scribbling ideas, and it was a big mess of all of it kind of in one, parts upside down.
6 meters long.
Yeah. So we couldn't really present that till last night from about 7 till 11, which it doesn't look like that many hours, but we were pretty tired. Me and Stuart got together and kind of synthesized into one synthesized. And this is the almost finished product.
So should we read it off?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the needs, what needs in the world will this project meet? We looked at, we just collectively tried to collect all of what the whole group was saying, so we felt there was a sense of protection of the natural environment and ancient traditions and wisdom, and to collectively work together to get a greater understanding of connection with ourselves, each other, and nature, to connect the multiple micros within the macro, respect and understanding for different people, cultures, and beliefs, and to present a more positive image of youth in the world.
Then moving to purpose, it was clear that we wanted to show not only the world, but especially people there, that there is a movement of youth who are going to make the necessary changes. We wanted to create authentic connections within all the sectors we visit there. We wanted to create a lasting impact in the region especially, but also in ourselves, so we take something from it instead of just ending there. We wanted to support, listen to, and encourage the dreams and aspirations of the locals. That's when we come into conversation with them. And we really saw this as being a stepping stone for this bigger picture of the Oasis Amazon game in 2011. And then Stuart's point of putting the little pieces of the puzzle together.
And then the principles, how we're going to work with each other and during the internship with the people we encounter. We want to use clear and honest communication from the heart, to be empathetic with each other and those who we encounter, to act from a place of non-judgment and respect, to be the best that we can and to see the best in each other, to trust in the process as well as the outcome, and to share responsibility and support individual interests.
Yeah, people was, I'm going to need some clarification on these areas, but...
Well, you're long enough.
I know. So we've got the core team, which is us, and Edgeguard's in every single of them. Then we have, what's our next ones?
Those are
They're like our godfathers.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're going to be looking after us. And then we have...
participants, I think.
Yeah. Who's hot? This is who's hot.
No, I think this next one is. So this one is participants.
Yeah, and this is who's hot, so NGOs and David Suzuki and Marina Silva, who's running for president of Brazil. And then we have the elders, who is Edgeguard and Ormond at the moment, and they might grow.
And our concept inspired from, I think we were inspired from Valentin's presentation. So we thought, okay, as we have this common purpose, we share all the possibilities, but then we find, each of us find our special responsibility to take care of, so that can, so that we have this fifth paradigm.
Beliefs. So we're thinking beliefs is something that can limit us. So we wrote it. that we will lose our sense of meaning, and a fear of that will lead into conflict and the failure of the movement and the project. And we had a fear that we may not achieve our collective vision, and also lack of group collaboration. Is that we think without group collaboration is very key of everything we do. We have to work together, otherwise it's just a personal experience. So also lack of communication with local people. And that would be the language barrier of that everyone would speak Portuguese and we couldn't really communicate with our English.
It's interesting because we're trying to get basic Portuguese off Kiko, but unfortunately he doesn't quite know the tribal languages. Indigenous, so.
On this kind of language I cannot teach.
Japanese. Yeah, we tried to learn some Portuguese now, and that will lead to communication breakdown within the group also. That would be a different problem. Lack of communication within the group. In structure.
Yeah, so we were coming up.
Structure. Okay. So yeah. So this is what we would like to do within the group to just keep it harmonious, I guess. We all should commit to a regular meeting, and we decided that we need a facilitator in a big group. With 4 it was okay without one, but with 6 we just need we need a host of the meeting. Define our responsibilities so we can be accountable. A space to support personal needs, so maybe do some activities as a group away from the project, so maybe cook a meal or, I don't know, do some yoga or something. Honest communication from the heart, documentation of the process, and establishing a healthy group dynamic through shared experiences. That's kind of linked. And then practice. What are our next steps?
To hold a shared understanding of the project, to be able to acknowledge and support individual needs and interests, and the second, take on a specific responsibility, like we saw in the paper, and be held accountable, and the most important thing. To enjoy every step of the process.
And you said that you would harvest it?
Yeah, we're going to harvest it. We're going to make a little documentary, and we're going to do writings and paintings and photographs and poems, and yeah, every day we should meet because we might be splitting off, and every day we'll meet and harvest with each other.
And a name.
And yeah.
We have a main website, blog things, so we can post updates on what we're doing. So.
And at the moment we've got also a Google document that we can sort of communicate with each other, the research that we do every day.
Great.